Hello everyone, my name is Yulia Vichart and I'm a family lawyer. I work at the law company of the lawyer Alexey Nikolaevich Skryabin. Our law company specializes in providing legal services in the field of marriage dissolution and recovery of alimony. Our lawyers provide support in court proceedings throughout Ukraine. In this video, I will tell you how to get a court decision in Ukraine, how to get a court decision on divorce, who has the right to get a court decision on divorce, whether you need legal assistance of a lawyer in obtaining a court decision. Watch this video till the end in order to learn a lot of interesting information about how to get a court decision. Subscribe to my channel to receive up-to-date information in the field of family law. Contacts for calling me and for asking about paid consultations are under this video. How to get a court decision in Ukraine. The procedure for obtaining a court decision is enshrined in the relevant legislative acts of Ukraine: Law of Ukraine on access to court decisions, the Law of Ukraine on the judicial system and the status of judges, Civil Procedural Code. The participants who attended the court session after the announcement of the text of the full or shortened court judgment, upon their application, a copy of such judgment is issued. In the case when a shortened decision, introductory and substantive parts, was announced during the court session, the court sends to the participants of the case a copy of the full court decision within 2 days. If the court decision is handed to the representative of the participant in the case, then it is considered that the decision has been received and doesn't apply for the sending the document by mail. Participants who were not present at the court hearing also have the right to receive a court decision. The document is sent by the registered letter with a notification within 2 days after the decision is made at the place of residence. How to get a court decision on divorce in Ukraine. According to the law of Ukraine on access to court decisions, this right to obtain a court decision is provided through the official publication of court decisions on divorce on the Judicial Power web portal. The Judicial Administration of Ukraine regulates the maintenance of the Unified State Register of Judicial Decisions of Ukraine. In order to exercise the right to access court decisions on divorce entered into the register, the user has the right to search, review, copy and print court decisions or necessary parts. To obtain a divorce judgment, it is necessary to apply to the competent court for the issuance of a court decision. The application must contain the main details: surname, name, patronymic of the applicant, place of registration or stay, name of the court, number of cases, surname, initials of the judge, statement of the request, date, signature, surname, name, patronymic. The judgment is sent to the address indicated in the application. For convenience, you can write an email in the application to receive the decision in electronic form. Who has the right to get a court decision on divorce in Ukraine? Guided by the norms of the law of Ukraine on access to court decisions, the participants of the case, as well as persons who didn't take a direct part in the proceedings but insist that during the divorce proceedings their rights, freedoms, interests and obligations were affected by the right to obtain a court decision on divorce. A copy of a judgment may be issued at the discretion of the court on the basis of an application of a person that correctly sets out reasonable claims and beliefs in relation to the rights, freedoms, interests and obligations which were affected. An authorized person can also receive a court decision on divorce on the basis of a passport as an identity document and a notarized power of attorney in accordance with the law of Ukraine on notaries. Acting within the framework of the law of Ukraine on the bar and advocacy, a family lawyer can also receive copies of documents issued by state bodies. To obtain a court decision on divorce, a lawyer doesn't need a notarized power of attorney to represent your interests. A family lawyer acts on the basis of a certificate of the right to practice law, an order, and an agreement on providing legal aid. Legal assistance of a lawyer in obtaining a court decision in Ukraine. The help of a family lawyer is more useful than ever in situations where it is necessary to obtain a court decision on divorce quickly, but it isn't possible to be present personally or to draw up a power of attorney. The described scenario is most often encountered when the Minister of Justice refuses to affix an apostille stamp on a court decision on divorce, on the legal grounds set out in the officially issued refusal. Here you need to act immediately, because if the Minister of Justice of Ukraine considers an application for an apostille for more than 2 working days, then there are sound doubts and the validity of the issued court decision on divorce is being checked. The most common reasons for rejection of an application for apostille on a divorce judgment: lack of a court seal, the seal of the court is blurred, misconformity of the stamp impression, misconformity of the judge's signature, absence of the judge's signature. Having experience in solving all kinds of legal delays, a family lawyer will eliminate all inaccuracies quickly and bring divorce documents in line with the requirements of the Minister of Justice of Ukraine. Considering the issue of registration of divorce in the registry office, civil registry office, on the basis of court decisions on divorce that have entered into force, an appeal to a family lawyer also remains relevant. In practice, there are cases when one spouse unilaterally, without notifying the other spouse, dissolves the marriage at the registry office or civil registry office. Faced with the paperwork in state bodies, the second of the spouses, who was in the dark, finds out that the marriage has been dissolved, and now he needs to complete the divorce record with personal data in order to obtain a divorce certificate based on the court decision. For this, a copy of the divorce judgment must be obtained in the competent court. In this case, it is necessary to apply to the court registry with a statement, in which it is required to indicate information about the date and number of the case by the court decision. Thanks to an experienced and competent approach of drafting requests, the family lawyer will find out the necessary information about the details of the divorce decision quickly and will receive a copy of the document. Consulting a professional divorce lawyer is a guarantee of your success. Contact the lawyers of our company in any way convenient for you. Call or write to messengers, and we will help you to resolve your issues quickly and efficiently. If you have a need for advice or paid services of a lawyer, then contact the contacts listed under this video. If you have any questions, then write them into the comments to this video, and I will definitely answer you. If this video was useful to you and you learned something new about that, how to get a court decision, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, press the bell not to miss new videos, and see you in new videos.